In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air cleaner in your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood, next to the battery. To remove the air filter, we're going to push in these two spring clips. You're just going to push them away from the air cleaner, and you're just going to pick this up, like that. And your air cleaner is right there. To install, you just lift this up. Make sure it's clean inside and there isn't any squirrel nests or whatever. If there is, take it out, clean it, and you can put this back in. It only fits one way. Make sure you pay attention to that. Slide it in, drop it in. Put the cover back on. Make sure it fits nice, it doesn't move around, and then you're going to snap it to lock it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.